We believe that every company needs to be responsible for society, especially in the time of crisis. We saw a shortage of protective masks and gloves, food for socially endangered people, respirators, and so on. First, we started sharing our protection gears to hospitals, companies, and retirement homes where elderly people got infected. With the help of our Chinese team, we also arranged respirators for a local hospital, saving potential lives. With our financial support and under the organization of More Than Beauty company from Katapult, we started sending out free packages of polypropylene material from which people can make their own protective masks. First, we were thinking only local, but the demand hit us nationally. In the end, 25 km of mask material and 70 km of elastic straps were cut, packed and shipped, so basically every household in Slovenia could make reusable face masks for themselves and their friends. More than 250,000 masks were made, and more than 5,000 skilled volunteers created around 1 million euro worth of masks almost from nothing. And every single mask could help to prevent deaths, which makes them priceless. I would like to thank our employees, partners, customers, and volunteers who believe in us and helped in these projects. But the special thanks goes to the ones standing in the front lines, risking their health to fight this crisis. Wear the masks, stay apart, and we will win this together.